This is unreal. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is roughly 4 months away from its official launch, but we already know Samsung's unreal surprise, at least one of the unreal surprises that they have planned with the S25 Ultra. And it's not a joke, this is truly unreal. According to Ice Universe, Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest and the lightest Ultra/Pro XL flagship phone on the market, beating out the likes of the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. How are they going to do this? I have no idea, because just to give you guys a reference, I have with me the best flagship phones from all these companies right now, and both Pixel 9 Pro XL and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are not only lighter but also thinner than the S24 Ultra. Like, these two flagships are easily the lightest big flagship phones you can buy right now. The fact that S25 Ultra will beat the weight of both of these two phones in not just thinness but also in terms of weight, while having a freaking S Pen on the inside, is absolutely bonkers to me. We don't know what kind of black magic Samsung is about to do to the design of the S25 Ultra, but now it is pretty clear that it's not just going to be a rounded Galaxy flagship. Samsung is really cooking something incredible, perhaps the best designed Galaxy Ultra flagship that they have ever made. Also in the news, this one might be a bit hard to believe since we don't have the OneUI 7.0 out in the market right now. Believe it or not, Samsung is working hard on not just OneUI 7.0 but also the OneUI 7.1, as the very first build of the software was spotted recently for the US carrier-locked version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The fact that we're seeing the OneUI 7.1 leak this early, Samsung is definitely cooking some insane features with this software version that's definitely going to be based on Android 15 and of course will be shipped right out of the box with the S25 lineup. And last but not the least, Samsung's XR headset is looking to be more of a reality day by day, because according to this leak coming from the Geekbench database, the Samsung XR headset with the model number SML130 is real and is running the Snapdragon XR Plus 2 Gen 2 chip with 16 GB of RAM and Android 14 based OS. I have to say the benchmark scores are quite on the low side, so I'm not sure if this is the final performance, but again, this is the first XR headset designed in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm, so we'll see how this would pan out in real life. Hopefully we're going to see this at the Unpacked event for the S25 series next year in January of 2025. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about the unreal surprise that Samsung is planning regarding the design of the S25 Ultra, with having the S Pen on the inside, that thin, that light body. How are they going to do it? This is going to be very interesting. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.